Hello, and welcome to Cook Command Center tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate to preventative maintenance service orders and viewing upcoming preventative maintenance service orders. So when you log into Cook Command Center, what you'll see is this view. This view is going to show all of your locations. It'll also have 4 interactive tabs up at the top: locations, security open service orders, ATM service orders, and preventative maintenance service orders. So there's 2 ways to navigate to the preventative maintenance. You can go here. You can also click over here. By doing this, this is going to show you all of the closed preventative maintenance orders that we've completed for your organization. So by clicking into the action menu, you can view PDF or view form. You can also navigate by any one of these interactive tabs up here. So if you wanted to search by location, you could come over here to city, search by location that way. So what I'm going to show you is when you go into the form, what it looks like. So what you can see is the address of the piece of hardware that we did the preventative maintenance on, what type of equipment, so it's an alarm system, DMP. You can see the wireless receiver here. You can see the panel tests that we completed, the batteries and the battery tests, the keypads and the keypad tasks, the sensors, sensor tasks, the hubs, and you can also see any additional comments back at the bottom. You'll also see who performed the preventative maintenance by exiting out of this and going up to service requests, going over to service orders, and then we're going to, this is how we're going to navigate to see upcoming preventative maintenance. So what you'll do is you'll go to call type, go to preventative maintenance, and you can go to open, closed, canceled, or all. So we're going to leave it as open and click go. So once you click go, this is where you would see any open preventative maintenance calls. So if they had any open preventative maintenance calls, once you click go, you would see them here. Thank you for watching Cook Command Center tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Cook Command Center, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can click here at cc.cooksecurity.group.com for more documentation and downloads.